And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to adjust clipped objects. So let us clip this image. I'll create a simple rectangle, and what you would normally do is to select it all. So the rectangle is on top, then right click, set a clip. You can see it's not the best composition. So if you want to adjust it, you would normally just release the clip and reposition it. But I know it from Illustrator that you can just get into the clip group and then adjust the position of the image or the object that you've clipped, which is much easier. Or we can do that in Inkscape as well, but you have to do something first. Let us go to Object and open this menu. You can see here's a rectangle and the image. And at the bottom it says image. But if we group it first, Ctrl G, we now have created a group. It consists only of the image, so it's just a group of one object. But if we now select it all, right click, set clip, we've clipped the group. And if we open this group, we will find our image, we'll select it, and now we can drag it around within the clipping. So I think that's a much better way to adjust these clipped elements. And as I've said, that's a typical way you would do it, for example, in Illustrator. And it's much better because you can see the composition directly as you adjust it. I hope this one was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.